Hello and welcome to the course ROS Tutorials, where we will start with the most fundamental concepts of ROS, and over the sections, we will strengthen the ideas with the help of numerous examples and quizzes. Before beginning this journey, I want you to focus on these key points which we will follow throughout this course. All the codes that I will explain in this course are available for download in this lecture's resource section. I have planned the lectures of this course in a manner that they are all interconnected with one another, and therefore I do not recommend you to start the course in the middle. You might feel that I am skipping some of the concepts in the beginning lectures if you have gone through ROS Wiki before. I have done that purposefully so that you do not get intrigued with some of the advanced concepts. Rest be assured that I have covered those concepts in the later part of this course. In this course, we will be dealing with multiple folders and file names. To prevent any confusion, I have followed this naming guideline where _p refers to the package name, _f indicates the file name, _e means executable name, _n means node name, and _t means topic name, and so on. I recommend you to keep an eye when I am naming any folder or a file. Since this course is based on using ROS in the Ubuntu operating system, I expect you to have a Ubuntu-based computer ready to follow along. You can choose to use a dedicated Ubuntu installation or a dual boot installation along with Windows, or a virtual machine-based installation. The lecture for the virtual machine installation is in the appendix section of this course. I strongly recommend you to watch those lectures if you want to use the virtual machine-based installation. In this course, I have explained the coding and other relevant steps for both the C++ and Python languages. Here, I recommend you to watch the lectures corresponding to only one language. Otherwise, the things might become a little confusing by the time you reach the end of this course. If you know both of the languages, I recommend you to watch the lectures corresponding to C++. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the course.